Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kulti Nagar Navata. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 16A of chapter Area of Circle, Factor and Segment of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start, students. My first question is question number 631. The wheels of the locomotive of a train are 2.1 meter. The wheels of the locomotive of a train are 2.1 meter in radius. मतलब एक ट्रेन के लोकोमोटिव का जो व्हील है वो व्हील का रेडियस जो है 2.1 मीटर है. तो दे मेक 75 रेवोल्यूशंस इन 1 मिनट. तो वो 1 मिनट में 75 रेवोल्यूशन कवर करता है. तो फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स. सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल radius of the wheel equal to 2.1 meter, that is 21 by 10 meter. Okay. Circumference of the wheel wheel 2 pi r, because a wheel is the form of a circle. Okay, it means the circumference of the wheel equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 multiply 22 by 7 and multiply r equal to 21 by 10. 7 3 are 21, 2 5 are 10, that is 66 by 5 meter. So students, in one revolution the wheel cover the distance 66 by 5 meter. It means in one revolution the distance covered by the wheel is the circumference of the wheel. The circumference of the wheel. So in one revolution the distance covered by the wheel equal to circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel. Okay, that is 56 by 5 meter. 56 by 5 meter. Okay, in one revolution. That is the 75 revolution. So for student, in 75 revolution the distance covered by the wheel equal to 75 multiply 66 by 5 meter, that is 990 meter. Okay. So in 75 revolution the distance covered by the wheel is 990 meter. Okay. Students, they make 75 revolution in 1 minute. Okay. So frames will make 75 revolution. Will make 75 revolution in 1 minute. In 1 minute. 1 मिनट में 75 रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करता है व्हील. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स in 60 minutes will make the number of revolution equal to 75 multiply 50. Okay, 75 multiply 60. So in 60 minutes the distance covered by the wheel equal to 75 रेवोल्यूशन के द्वारा जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया गया वो कितना था 990 मीटर. सो 990 मल्टीप्लाई 50. ओके, सो $59,400 meter. Okay, so change in kilometer per hour. So multiply 1/1000 kilometer per hour. Okay, so 2 0 cancel, that is 594/10, that is 59.4 kilometer per hour. Okay, so students, in 60 minutes it means 1 hour, in 1 hour the distance covered by the wheel equal to 59.4 kilometer. 59.4 kilometer. So the speed of the train is 59.4 kilometer per hour. Hence the speed of the train 60 मिनट, दैट मीन्स 1 आवर. तो 1 घंटा में 59.4 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है. तो स्पीड क्या हो गया? स्पीड इक्वल टू 59.4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, अब स्टूडेंट्स आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, द डायमीटर्स ऑफ द फ्रंट एंड द रियर व्हील्स ऑफ ए ट्रैक्टर. एक ट्रैक्टर का फ्रंट व्हील और रियर व्हील. ओके, so the diameter of the front and the rear wheels of a tractor are 80 centimeter and 2 meter. 80 centimeter and 2 meter respectively. It means the diameter of the front wheel is 80 centimeter and the diameter of the rear wheel is 2 meter. Okay, so find the number of revolution that a real wheel. Find the number of revolution that a real wheel makes to cover the distance which the front wheel covers in 800 revolution. 800 revolution. Find the number of revolution that a real wheel का number of revolution निकालना है. कब? Makes to cover the distance which the front wheel covers in 800 revolution. तो 800 revolution में फ्रंट व्हील जितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है उतने डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए रियर व्हील कितना रेवोल्यूशन करेगा? मैक्स हाउ मेनी रेवोल्यूशन? फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, कितना रेवोल्यूशन करेगा? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. रेडियस ऑफ द फ्रंट व्हील. रेडियस ऑफ द फ्रंट व्हील equal to 80 centimeter by 2 because the 80 centimeter is the diameter of the front wheel. Okay, so 80 centimeter by 2, that is the 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter and 40 centimeter को हम लोग मीटर में चेंज कर देंगे तो 40 by 100 मीटर. 1010 22 या 4 2 5 या 10, that is the 2 by 5 meter is the radius of the front wheel. Okay, for circumference of the front wheel, circumference of the front wheel equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 multiply 2 pi into r 2 by 5, that is the 2 to 4 by 5 pi. ओके, पाई में ही रहने देते हैं. तो सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द फ्रंट व्हील इक्वल टू 4 by 5, 4 pi by 5, ओके, मीटर, 4 by 5 pi मीटर. ओके, फॉर वन रेगुलेशन the distance covered by the front wheel in one revolution is 4 by 5 pi. Okay, for students, the distance covered by front wheel in one revolution equal to circumference of the front wheel. Okay, the distance covered by front wheel in one revolution equal to circumference of the front wheel. Okay, that is 4 pi by 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter. So students, the distance covered by front wheel in 800 revolution equal to 4 pi by 5 or multiply 800. Okay, for student, 5 150 640 पाई. ओके, तो फ्रंट व्हील के द्वारा 800 रेवोल्यूशन कवर करता है फ्रंट व्हील, तो 640 पाई का डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द फ्रंट व्हील इन 800 revolution is 640 pi. So students, the distance, total distance covered by the front wheel in 800 revolution equal to 640 pi meter. 640 pi meter. Okay. Now, radius and the rear wheel. Radius of the rear wheel equal to 1 meter, because the diameter of the rear wheel is 2 meter, so the radius is 1 meter. So circumference of the rear wheel (2 pi into r), so r equal to 1, that is the 2 pi meter. Okay, so in one revolution, the distance covered by the rear wheel by one revolution equal to circumference of the rear wheel equal to 2 pi. Okay, so students, since 2 pi meter distance, 2 pi meter distance covered by rear wheel equal to 1 revolution. Okay, 1 revolution में रियल व्हील के द्वारा 2 पाई मीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, 1 मीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा कितना, तो 1 by 2 पाई. ओके, एंड 640 पाई मीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा कितना में, 640 पाई मीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा कितना, 1 multiply 640 पाई by 2 पाई, that is पाई is cancelled and 2 32, that is the 320 revolution. Okay, so students, 640 पाई का डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए रियर व्हील को 320 रेवोल्यूशन बनाना होगा. ओके. अब स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. 4 equal circles, each of radius a unit and touch each other. यानी 4 सर्किल्स है, इक्वल है, 4 equal circles. ओके. So draw 4 equal circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal circles of radius a units touch each other. So students, this is the 4 equal circles. Center is, first circle is A, B, C and D. Okay. The radius is a unit. This radius is also a unit. This radius is also a unit. This radius is also a unit. A unit. This is also a unit, and this radius is also a unit. This radius is also, and this is also. Okay. So students, A, B, C, D is a square. The A, B, C, D is the form of a square, which one side is 2a meter. That is one radius and 2 radius. That is 2a. Okay, 2a meter. So that the area between them, so the area between them, ये चारों सर्किल के बीच का जो एरिया है, this, ये जो एरिया है वो 6/7 a square units है. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कि रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ वन सर्किल, बिकॉज कि 4 इक्वल क्वाड्रेंट, 1, 2, 3 and 4 इक्वल क्वाड्रेंट. ओके. and each of the frontal angle is 90 degree. okay, the frontal angle is 90 degree. तो ये चारों क्वाड्रेंट मिलकर के एक सर्किल का निर्माण करेगा. ये एक क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड द फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. अब 4 इक्वल क्वाड्रेंट्स है, सबका रेडियस इक्वल है, तो ये चारों क्वाड्रेंट्स मिलकर एक सर्किल का निर्माण करेगा. तो हम निकालेंगे क्या कि द एरिया, रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर ABCD माइनस एरिया ऑफ one circle which radius is a unit. okay, so students, let's start solution. Required area equal to area of a square ABCD minus area of circle which radius is a unit. ओके. चलिए, तो एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर ABCD 2a का होल स्क्वायर, साइड का स्क्वायर, एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर इक्वल टू साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर. तो साइड इज द दिस स्क्वायर इज 2a, तो 2a का स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल, तो पाई r स्क्वायर, तो r इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर. ओके, पाई r स्क्वायर. okay, so that is the 4a square minus, put the value of pi equal to 22/7a square. okay, while a square is common, that is 4 minus 22/7. okay, that is a square, and take LCM is 7 4 is 28 minus 22, that is 6/7 a square. okay, so the required area equal to 6/7 a square. Okay. Students, our next question is question number 41. 41 नंबर क्वेश्चन की इन द गिवन फिगर, इस फिगर में ABCD इज ए ट्रापीजियम, ABCD इज ए ट्रापीजियम. ओके, a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so students, trapezium of area 24.5 square centimeter. Given the area of this trapezium equal to 24.5 square centimeter. Okay, if AD parallel BC, AD is parallel to BC. Okay, AD is parallel to BC. One pair of the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, AD is parallel to BC. Angle DAB equal to 90 degree. DAB equal to 90 degree. That is right angle. AD equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर. AD जो है वो कितना है? 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, BC इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. BC क्या है? 4 सेंटीमीटर. BC इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. And ABE is quadrant of a circle. ABE, this is the quadrant of a circle. Okay, then find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. So students, area of the shaded region equal to area of the trapezium minus area of this quadrant. Okay, so first of all, find the area of the trapezium which is given. Okay, and area of the quadrant. Okay, so let's start solution. Given area of the trapezium ABCD equal to 24.5 centimeter square, and we know that the area of the trapezium equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides multiply distance between them. It means altitude, it means height. So area of the trapezium ABCD equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides, that is AD or plus BC. AD or plus BC or multiply distance between both parallel lines. So for students, the distance between the both parallel lines is AB. AB is the perpendicular distance between the CB, BC and AD. Okay, so distance क्या हो जाएगा? AB. So AB equal to 24.5 centimeter square. For students, 1/2 or multiply AD equal to 10 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, or multiply AB equal to 245 by 10 centimeter square. Okay, so students, 1/2 multiply 10 and 4, 14 centimeter. Okay, or multiply AB. So 2 7 ja 14. It means 7 AB, 7 multiply AB equal to 245 by 10 centimeter square. For students, 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35. AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. That is centimeter, centimeter is cancelled. AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. For students, here AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and AB is the radius of this quadrant of a circle. Okay, AB क्या है? इस ये जो quadrant है सर्किल का, ABE is quadrant of a circle. ABE is the quadrant of a circle which radius is AB, and AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so find the area of this quadrant. So area of the quadrant, ABE equal to pi r square theta, that is the 90 by 360. Okay, तो पाई that is the 22 by 7, r equal to 3.5 that is the 35 by 10 multiply 35 by 10 और multiply 90 by 360. 490 4 जा 360 and 7 5 जा 35 5 2 जा 10. Okay, 5 7 जा 35 5 2 जा 10. Okay, and 2 11 जा 22. So students, 11 multiplies 7, that is the 77 by 8 centimeter square. Area of the quadrant ABE equal to 77 by 8 square centimeter. Okay, now the area of the shaded region. Now students, area of the shaded region equal to area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 24.5 centimeter square minus area of the quadrant ABE, that is the 77.8. Okay. That is the 77 by 8, that is the 9.625 square centimeter. For 24.5 square centimeter minus 9.625 square centimeter. So students, 24.5 minus 9.625 centimeter square. That is the 14.875 square centimeter is the area of this shaded region. Okay.